Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you the best CapCut auto captions alternative that is also completely free to use. So if you find this video helpful and you want to show your support, all I ask is just for you to subscribe to the channel. So let's continue. To start, simply type in Adobe Captions to your browser and then click on this first link right here. I will also leave a link in the description of the video. So from here, go to Upload your video. Then a new tab will load with the drag and drop menu. So here just drag and drop your video and select the language in which your video is. So once you uploaded your video to Adobe Express, it can take a few minutes for the program to process your video and apply auto captions to it. So once everything is loaded up, you can check the captions on your video. I don't really like the style of these captions, so I will change it to, let's say, this one. Now that's much better. Also here you can either download it or you can open this in Adobe Express, which is free to use, and you can further adjust these captions. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.